Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. We are getting ready for, I'm getting that signature pose in. I gotta get that signature pose. We're about to head to a massage appointment. Bruce and I both have scheduled massages, so I just have a couple of minutes, but I've been dying to share this ancient beauty secret with you. Please share this with your friends because this is so cool. Literally, it's cool. I've had it for a while, but I haven't used it. I have not unboxed it, and I'm just excited to share it with you. Hey, Jennifer. Okay, here it is. This is called a Jade roller. I have seen these before and wondered about them, and since I'm having a full body massage today, why not pamper my face really fast before I go? So I'm going to read a couple of things about it for you, then I'm going to share it with you, okay? Using the cooling and healing therapeutic energy of Jade Stone to promote blood circulation, diminish puffiness and bags under your eyes, detoxify through lymphatic drainage, improve skin elasticity and toning. Sounds good. Skincare glow. Add jade rolling as a part of your personal skincare regimen. Combine it with face sheet masks, which I did not get. Oh, yes, I did. Yes, I did. OMG. Yes, I did. I got snail egg and honey masks, and guess where they went? In the trash, especially the snail. I just about grossed out. This is what it's telling me, to put it in the freezer for a few minutes and then use it on your face. My kitchen is pretty cool, so I did not pop it in the freezer, but this one is handmade. Every piece of jade is crafted in this factory. I don't remember where it's shipped from, but a few benefits. Again, this flushes toxins via lymphatic drainage. It stimulates collagen production, massages and exercises the muscles in your face, tones and rejuvenates skin, boosts elasticity, and provides relief for headache and tension. Well, we have had some major sinus stuff going on. There's something in the air, and my face feels like I've been beat in the night. So this is my jade roller. This is how it comes. And I did take out the snail pieces, I will admit. I saw those baggies and I saw snail and I was like, eek, that is disgusting. So this is my roller. It's a jade roller, and if I have time, I'll share the benefits of jade. You know I love my crystals, so they do tell me to use my favorite oil. So my One Drop Wonder is almost gone, but this is awesome with healing properties and helps with fine lines. So I'm going to get just a little bit in my dropper because it's about gone. I'm going to do 1 drop. And then I do love mixing Must Do, which you guys know I love my Must Do. Actually, Due Date is the new name. So I'm going to rub those in my hands, and I'm going to just press that all over my face, just like so, very gently. And I always want to use my ring finger under my eyes because it's your weakest finger. So be very gentle with your under eye. And now I have my oil all over my face, and I'm going to use my little crystal. It shows me, let's see, the little book has pictures of which directions to roll. I didn't put any on my neck. Let me put a little bit on my neck. I always do this anyway. I love it on my neck. So there we go. So we will roll my neck, and then I'm going to follow the directions and do it under my eye and on my lids. So I'm just going to roll up and down, almost like you're painting. You know how you'll use your roller when you're painting a wall? You're just going up and down, up and down. That actually feels really, really nice. It's very cool, so I could see putting it in the refrigerator or freezer. Oh my gosh, that is so nice. And if I weren't on camera, it would be even more relaxing because I wouldn't be talking. I could be playing some really nice music. Oh, wow, y'all, that feels really good. It doesn't say how many times to do it. And then you've got the smaller end, which I'm going to use here, which they're saying up and down here. Up and down, up and down. Just like so. Almost like you're shaving, although I've never shaved my chin. So you're just, and you would do this much slower and gentle, and you wouldn't be talking. And then you can go with the big side again, and you're going to go this way, up and down. Oh my goodness gracious, y'all. Yeah, I'm definitely going to be doing this without being on a Facebook Live because this feels fantastic. And this is also helping to work my oils in to get them working. And as you know, my must do and my one drop wonder is healing and hydrating. And also helps to regenerate new skin cell growth. Oh my goodness. Wow, I have TMJ. And there's a knot right there. That feels so incredible. Wow. Okay. So now I'm going to take the small end again and I'm going to go under my eyes. I'm going to kind of look up while I'm doing it. I'm going to roll under my eyes because this little pokey part, if you get too close to your eye, it's going to hurt your eye. So you're really kind of staying on that eye socket bone there, if you will. And then you can roll up this way where I've got a few of my little crow's feet going on. Oh yeah, that's really nice. And you're going to do the other side. Just like so. Oh my goodness. That is so nice. And then your forehead. Just go back and forth, back and forth. That feels so good. Because like I said, I've had kind of a sinusy headache. And I know that's what it is. Oh my gracious, that feels incredible. And then you can go through here, which is where you've got your, there's a lot of, I don't know what it's called, but that's where you always have pain and a lot of pressure if you're having some sinus issues. So that feels incredible right through there. Oh wow, that's nice. That is nice, nice, nice. And a little bit of information about Jade. You can Google it. I can share the link below. Let's see. I was reading about Jade. The jade crystal is known as the stone of eternal youth. That's a good thing. It's the go-to gemstone for facial treatments. Keep jade close by and have your own fountain of youth. After applying your favorite moisturizer, face oil, or face serum, which I did, I applied my favorite face oils over your skin to reduce any puffiness, drain the lymphatic system, I don't have my glasses on, and increase blood circulation. All of these things are needed to create that fresh face goddess glow. The jade crystal stone meaning is associated with its powerful ability to reduce tension in the face muscles, which makes it an excellent beauty aid for smoothing out wrinkles. So yeah, that's my jade roller, and it feels incredible. I definitely think that next time I might put it in the refrigerator. I haven't done my eyelids, but you can also do your eyelids. That feels really good, guys. So I've been dying to share this with you, and now that I have, and it's out of the box, I will be using it a little bit more. If anybody has this or has used it, I would love to know your thoughts. Have you used it? Do you like it? Do you have this exact same one? Would you buy it again? I would love to know. And if you know anyone that would love to know more about a jade roller, please share it with them, because sharing is caring, and I only share these things with you guys because I want you to know about them. I could do this all day, and again, if I weren't talking, it would be even more relaxing. See, I was wondering, it did talk about having it in the freezer or the refrigerator, which I didn't do, but I can see how it'd feel fantastic. So yeah, now that I've had my facial massage, hubby and I are going to go and have our full body massages, and then I will come back and get ready for dinner. I really like doing it on my neck too. Thanks for sharing that, Ashley. I may have to do that again. Oh, it just feels so good. Yeah, this is going to be a daily thing for me. As if it doesn't take me long enough to get ready already, I just added another 15-20 minutes to my get ready schedule. Yeah. Thanks for watching. And again, this is the Jade roller. I got this one on Amazon. I absolutely love it. I will admit I ordered another one and it was junky and cheapy, and I sent it back. This one is not junky and cheapy. It's heavy. It has a Jade handle. It has the Jade big roller, the Jade little roller, and it's super nice. I want to say it was $24.99 on Amazon. Love it. And if you get one, please let me know. I would love to hear your thoughts. Have a wonderful Saturday, and I am going to go finish the rest of my spa treatment at the massage salon. Have a great day, everybody. Mwah. Bye.